Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.